Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Whiteboard Online. Today we will discuss about the current affairs of 2022. Before moving ahead in the video, don't forget to subscribe to Whiteboard and Online and do hit the like button. So, the first one is Khelo India Youth Games launched by which minister in Haryana? So, the answer is Union Home Minister Amit Shah. सो जो भी हम आज लोग डिस्कस कर रहे हैं करंट अफेयर्स तो ये आपके कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स में बहुत हेल्पफुल होंगे सो आप लोग नोट कर लीजिएगा वीडियो को पॉज करके आप लोग नोट कर सकते हैं ओके नाउ द नेक्स्ट वन इज WHO ग्लोबल सेंटर फॉर ट्रेडिशनल मेडिसिन विल बी एस्टैब्लिश्ड इन विच सिटी सो द आंसर इज जामनगर नेक्स्ट Indian educator and social reformer Fatima Sheikh 191st birth anniversary observed on which date? The answer is 9th January 2022. Now, next. For 6G technology developments, Ministry of Communication has set up which task force? Answer is 6 task force on 6G technology. Now, Changing course, transforming education is the theme of which day in 2022? The answer is International Day of Education. So, International Day of Education 2022 का theme क्या था? Changing course, transforming education. Now the next is in which city India's first para badminton academy has been set up? So, the answer is Lucknow. Now, next. Public Financial Management Scheme PFMS division comes under which ministry in India? The answer is Ministry of Finance. Next. To mark 1 year of the COVID inoculation drive in India, which minister released a commemorative postal stamp? Answer is Union Health Minister Mansukh Mandavia. Next. Which department in India launched a new initiative called Mission Amanat for the passengers to get back their lost luggage? So the answer is Railway Protection Force of Western Railways Zone. Please do hit the like button and share the video among your friends and also subscribe to Whiteboard Online. We need your support so that you can get the maximum benefit of from us. We will upload various videos that will be beneficial to all of you. Which state launched Shramik Mitra scheme for construction workers? So the answer is Delhi. Next. To regulate online games, which Indian state decided to bring a law for better online games environment? So the answer is Madhya Pradesh. Next. Sunil Agarwal appointed as the Chief Financial Officer of which company? So the answer is LIC, Life Insurance Corporation. Next. Which Indian regulatory body launched a portal of student learning assessment Parakh in India? So the answer is AICTE, All India Council for Technical Education. Next. Atul Kumar Goyal appointed as the officer on special duty in which bank? The answer is Punjab National Bank, PNB. Next. Which state's High Court to become India's first paperless court? So the answer is Kerala High Court. Next. To evacuate Indian nationals from Ukraine due to the Russia-Ukraine war, which evacuation mission launched by Indian government? So the answer is Operation Ganga. Next. World's largest urban sanitation service, Swachh Sarvekshan 2022, launched in which country? The answer is India. Next. India's decade digital governance in a post pandemic world is the theme of which day in 2022? Answer is 24th National Conference on E-Governance. बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट करंट अफेयर्स हैं प्लीज़ आप लोग इनको नोट डाउन करिए और शेयर करिए ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा नेक्स्ट बहाने छोड़ो टैक्स बचाओ कैंपेन लॉन्च्ड बाय विच इंश्योरेंस कंपनी इन इंडिया आंसर इज SBI जनरल इंश्योरेंस कंपनी Which two countries launched formal free trade agreement negotiations to double the trade by 2030? The answer is India and United Kingdom. Next, who topped the list of most popular world leaders with a rating of 71%? Answer is our Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi. Next, Standard Chartered partnered with Dash to launch the IATA Pay payment platform for the airline industry in India. पेमेंट प्लेटफॉर्म है IATA, तो स्टैंडर्ड चार्टर्ड ने किसके साथ पार्टनरशिप की थी? तो आंसर इज IATA, दैट इज इंटरनेशनल एयर ट्रांसपोर्ट एसोसिएशन. नेक्स्ट, 2022 वर्ल्ड पेशेंट सेफ्टी डे सेलिब्रेटेड ऑन विच डे? आंसर इज September 17. Next, Minorities' Rights Day will be celebrated on December 18th each year, as announced by which state in India? Answer is Tamil Nadu. Next, who has become the first Indian origin Prime Minister of the United Kingdom on October 25th, 2022? Answer is Rishi Sunak. Next, the City Next initiative technology for the sustainable growth of cities in India has been launched by? Answer is Microsoft. Next, which company has become the first linear alkyl benzene manufacturing company in the world to get BIS certification? Answer is Tamil Nadu Petro Products Limited. Next, which company launched Savdhan Rahein Safe Rahein, a public awareness campaign on financial fraud risk? Answer is Bajaj Finserv. Next, the report titled Connected Commerce Creating a Roadmap for a Digitally Inclusive Bharat has been launched by the Niti Aayog in collaboration with which company? Answer is MasterCard. Next, where is the National Cadet Corps headquartered? Answer is New Delhi. Next, the railways will become a major exporter of Vande Bharat trains by 2025 to 26 to markets in? Answer is Europe, South America, and East Asia. Next, who has been awarded with Champions of the Earth Award in the Entrepreneurial Vision category? Answer is Dr. Purnima Devi Burman. Next, who is set to become the first woman president of the Indian Olympic Association IOA? Answer is PT Usha. Next, who was given the Indian Film Personality of the Year 2022 award at the closing ceremony of the 53rd International Film Festival of India? Answer is Chiranjeevi. Next. Okay, so that's all for today. I hope आपको करंट अफेयर्स की वीडियो आपको अच्छी लगी होगी तो हम इस पर एक सीरीज़ लेकर आएंगे, ठीक है, ताकि आप लोग अपने कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स में अच्छा स्कोर कर सकें, राइट. ऑल्सो डू सब्सक्राइब द चैनल एंड हिट द लाइक बटन एंड शेयर इट अमंग योर फ्रेंड्स. कीप लर्निंग, कीप ग्रोइंग. थैंक यू वेरी मच.